think you can just drop JSON into any Go struct. There's a catch. Go's standard library includes the encoding /JSON package. No extra dependencies needed. The key function is json.Unmarshal. You pass it the raw JSON as a byte slice and a pointer to the struct you want to fill. Unmarshal reads each JSON key and copies the values into the matching struct fields. To map JSON keys to struct fields precisely, use struct tags. After each field declaration, add a backtick with /: and the key name in quotes. For example, /: email_address maps that JSON key to your email address field. Without tags, Go does a case-insensitive name match, which often leads to surprises. A critical rule: only exported fields, those starting with an uppercase letter, can be unmarshaled. Lowercase fields are silently skipped with no error. If you name a field age with a lowercase a, that value will never be populated. Always use uppercase field names in structs you plan to unmarshal into. Pass a pointer to your struct with the ampersand operator. Unmarshal writes into the struct in place and needs the address, not a copy. And always handle the error it returns. Malformed JSON and type mismatches both surface there. Import encoding /JSON, define exported fields with sun tags, call unmarshal with a pointer, and always check the error. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.